cantaloupe, driving so free. B is for bear, waving a big B. C is for cat, in a shiny blue hat. D is for dog, with a flag that says D. E is for elephant, trumpet in trunk. F is for fox, with a funky flag thunk. G is for giraffe, stretching up to the sky. H is for horse, trotting happily by. Ride, ride, ride today, animals are on their way. Flags are flying, friends all cheer, outfed animals are driving near. I is for iguana, steering with care. J is for jaguar, jumping up in the air. K is for kangaroo, bouncing along. L is for lion, with a mighty strong song. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for newt, waving an N at the tree. O is for owl, who hoots in delight. P is for penguin, flapping with might. Ride, ride, ride today, animals are on their way. Flags are flying, friends all cheer, outfed animals are driving near. Q is for quokka, with a cheeky grin. R is for rabbit, racing to win. S is for snake, slithering proud. T is for tiger, roaring out loud. U is for uriel, horns held high. V is for vulture, soaring the sky. W is for wolf, with a wonderful woof. X is for x-ray, tetra splashing the roof. Y is for yak, with a big Y flag. Z is for zebra, in a zigzag, zigzag. Ride, 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 hooray, the alphabet parades on display. Flags are flying, friends all cheer, A to Z, the animals are here.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun, you'll see. We'll play, explore and laugh out loud. Bright explorers make us proud.